Hello dear students, welcome in maths class. In this video we are going to do applications of derivative. In previous video we did applications of derivative, that is introduction part of tangent and normal definitions, and question number 1 we did in the previous video. इस वीडियो में हम क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 से स्टार्ट करने जा रहे हैं. See what is the question number 2? Find point on the curve y is equals to this root of x minus 3 where the tangent is perpendicular to the line. So tangent to this curve is perpendicular to this line. So we find that point. So let's say this is a curve y is equal to fx and here is a tangent. ये आपका tangent है. So tangent at this point p x1 y1 to the curve. We are interested to find the point at which the line is tangent, but this tangent is perpendicular to this line 6x plus 3y minus 5. ये आपका tangent जो है इसका it is perpendicular to this line. That means when two lines are perpendicular, product of the slopes is minus 1. So we find slope of the given line and we find slope of tangent. What is mean by slope of tangent? It is derivative of the function at this point. So that will be the slope of tangent. So tangent or given line perpendicular hai, so product of the slopes will be minus 1. So here given equation of curve is this y is equals to root of x minus 3 derivative dy by dx is equal to 1 upon 2 root of x minus 3. Now tangent at point, slope of tangent at this point p x1 y1, that is equal to derivative dy by dx at p, and which is equal to 1 upon 2 root of x1 minus 3. Say it is m1. Now equation of given line is what? See here, given line. What is our given line? Given line is 6x plus 3y minus 5. Given line is 6x plus 3y minus 5 is equal to 0. So its slope is slope of the given line, that is minus a upon b, which is minus 6 upon 3 and which is equals to minus 2. That is the slope of given line. Say it is m2. Now as this tangent is perpendicular to the given line, here what is given? The tangent is perpendicular to the given line. Therefore product of the slopes is minus 1. So here product of slopes will be minus 1. So m1 into m2 will be equals to minus 1, that is 1 upon 2 root of x1 minus 3 into this slope is minus 2 and that is equal to minus 1. Now this is getting cancelled, this minus sign also will get cancelled, and here we will get 1 upon root of, यहाँ पे हमको 1 upon root of x1 minus 3 will be equals to, a minus sign will also get cancelled, यहाँ पे it is equal to 1. So that root of x1 minus 3 is equal to 1. That means x1 minus 3 is equal to 1. That means x1 is equal to 4. Now we find y coordinate of the point. So how we get y coordinate of the point? By putting x1 is equal to 4 in the given curve. So therefore y1 is equal to root of x1 minus 3 and that is equal to root of 4 minus 3, which is equal to 1. So y1 is equal to 1. Therefore point on the curve. So point on the curve is 4, 1 is the required point on the curve. Now let us see question number 3. Find the point on curve y is equal to x cube minus 2x square minus x, where tangents are parallel to this line. Tangent parallel to this line means slope of the given line and slope of the tangent to this curve, that will be equal. So we find points on the curve. So first of all we find derivative dy by dx. See here solution. We find dy by dx, derivative of this. Here it will be 3x square minus derivative of x square is 2x, so it is 4x, and minus derivative of x is 1. So slope of the tangent, say m1 at p x1 y1, that is dy by dx at p x1 y1. This is the required point, x1 y1. So here it is 3x1 square minus 4x1 minus 1. This is slope of the tangent, say it is m1, and given line is what? What is our given line? Given line is 3x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. So slope of this line is what? Slope of the line m2, say it is minus 3 upon minus 1, that is equal to 3. Now this slope and this slope equal because the tangent is parallel to the line, therefore slopes are equal. m1 is equal to m2 because the line and tangent parallel. Therefore 3x1 square 4x1 minus 1 is equal to 3, which is 3x1 square minus 4x1 minus 4 is equal to 0. Here this 12 we factorize, minus 12 we factorize, minus 12, that is minus 6 plus 2, which is minus 4. So 3x square minus 6x1 plus 2x1 minus 4 is equal to 0. So 3x1, and here it is 2. 3x1 plus 2 into x1 minus 2. x1 minus 2 is equal to 0. So x1 we are getting either 2 or x1 is equal to minus 2 by 3. So these two possible values of x1 you are getting. Accordingly we will find what? Value of y1. So value of y1, because we are interested to get the coordinates. So if x1 is 2, then what is y1? So y1 is equal to 2 cube. Substitute in the equation of curve, 2 into 2 square minus 2. So this is 8 and this is also 8, which is getting cancelled, and minus 2 you will get. y1 is equal to minus 2, therefore the point is 2 comma minus 2. This is one point, say P. Then x1 is equal to, we will put x1 is equal to minus 2 by 3, so that y1 is equal to, this will be minus 8 upon 27 minus 2 times of this square. So minus 2 times of this square will be what? 8 upon 9. This is 4 upon 9 plus 4 upon 9, and minus 2 minus 8 upon 9. Minus of minus will be 2 by 3. Minus of x, that is minus of minus 2 by 3. So y1 you are getting, LCM is 27. Here is minus 8. This is what? 24 and plus 18. So that it is minus 14 upon 27. Here is 10 minus 14 upon 27 y1. So that our point is, another point, say P dash will be x coordinate is minus 2 by 3 और y coordinate -14/27, -14/27, which is the required point. So either we are getting this point or this. Question number 4. Find equation of tangents to the curve x square y square minus 2x minus 4y plus 1 equals to 0, which are parallel to x-axis. So any line which is parallel to x-axis, its slope will be equal to 0. So first of all, we find coordinates of the point on the curve. That means two things you have to find. यहाँ पे दो चीज find करना होगा. Find the equation of tangent के लिए सबसे पहले point on the curve or slope of the tangent. Now as our tangent is parallel to x-axis, so clearly slope of our required tangent is 0 because tangent is parallel to x-axis. Now एक ही चीज find करना है जो कि point on the curve. So let Px1 y1 be the point on curve. अभी ये पॉइंट पे टेंजेंट जो है दैट इज पैरेलल टू एक्स एक्सिस, मतलब स्लोप ऑफ द टेंजेंट इज 0. सो सिंस टेंजेंट इज पैरेलल टू एक्स एक्सिस, सो देयरफॉर स्लोप ऑफ टेंजेंट is 0. Slope of tangent is 0. So first of all you will get slope of the tangent. We differentiate it. ये implicit function है. We will find the derivative of implicit function differentiating each term by with respect to x. So it will be 2x, यहाँ पे 2y dy by dx minus 2 derivative of this, ये minus 4 dy by dx and derivative of 1 is 0. Here we collect dy by dx term. Before to that 2 cancel, यहाँ पे 2 cancel होगा. So dy by dx into y minus 2. Here x minus 1 plus x minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore dy by dx at Px1 y1 point is required will be equal to ये minus x1 minus 1 upon y1 minus 2. But this slope of tangent is equal to what? 0. Why? Because our tangent is parallel to x-axis. So that is equal to 0. That means x1 minus 1 upon y1 minus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore x1 is equal to 1. यहाँ पे x1 is equal to 1. अभी आपको y1 फाइंड करना है. So how we get y1? By putting x1 is equal to 1 in this equation. ये इक्वेशन में हम x1 is equal to 1 रखेंगे. So it is 1 plus y1 square minus 2 into 1 plus minus 4 into y1 plus 1 is equal to 0. So that this 1 and 1 it is 2 minus this 2 0. So only y1 square minus 4y1 is equal to 0 and y1 common, y1 minus 4 is equal to 0. So that we are getting y1 is equal to 0 or y1 is equal to 4. That means our point on the curve. So what are the points on the curve? Points on the curve where tangent is drawn and it is parallel to x-axis. So that point is x1 is 1 comma 0 and 1 comma 4. These are the points. So where you have to find, you have to draw tangent. Now equation slope of tangent is what? 0. So equation of tangent we find. Equation of tangent at this point. So equation of tangent y minus y1. Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Y minus y1, that is y minus 0, and slope n is already 0, so it is 0. So y is equal to 0 is one tangent. This is one tangent. Y minus, now you look at this point 1 comma 4, y minus y1, 4, 0 into x minus x1, that is 1. Right hand side is 0, so it is y minus 4 is equal to 0, or y is equal to 4 is the another equation of tangent. So this is one tangent, this is another tangent to the given curve which is parallel to x-axis. Let's see question number 5. Find the equation of normal to the curve which are parallel to the given line x plus 3y is equal to 4. So here normal, we have to find the equation of normal, and normal is parallel to the given line. मतलब ये लाइन का स्लोप और नॉर्मल का स्लोप एक ही है. So slope of the given line is equal to slope of normal. So first of all we will find slope of the given line. Here slope of given line, that is x plus 3y is equal to 4. Say m1 is equal to minus 1 upon 3, minus a upon b. This is slope of normal also, because our normal is parallel to the given line. So this is what? Slope of normal also, slope of normal also. Now we find point on the, once you are getting slope of normal आपको मिल गया है. So point we required, so that by point slope form we can find the equation of normal. Slope of normal is known to us, we find point. So first of all we will find the slope of tangent to this curve at point p x1 y1, so that you will get, see here, p x1 y1 be the point on curve, So what is derivative of this? 3 into 2x minus 2 into y dy by dx is equal to 0. Now this 2 is getting cancelled. This is derivative is 2x, 3 is constant, minus 2y into dy by dx. Therefore dy by dx is equal to 3x upon y, and derivative at point P is what? x1 y1. This is slope of tangent, and this is slope of normal. Normal and tangent are perpendicular to each other, so product of the slopes, see this is say m2. Now tangent and normal are perpendicular, therefore m1 into m2, that is equal to minus 1. So 3x1 upon y1 into m2. So what is our m2? m2 is minus 1 upon 3, that is equal to minus 1. This 3 is getting cancelled, minus is also getting cancelled. So we are getting x1 is equal to y1. We are getting here x1 is equal to y1. Substitute in the equation of curve, therefore 3x1 square minus y1 square is equal to 8. But x1 square, x1 and y1 are equal, so 3x1 square minus x1 square is 8. So x1 square will be equal to 4. This is 2x1 square is equal to 8. So x1 is equal to plus or minus 2. So x1 is equal to plus or minus 2. Therefore, as x1 is equal to y1, so y1 is also equals to plus or minus 2. That means the points are, therefore points are, so points are 2 comma 2 and minus 2 comma minus 2. And the slope of normal is this, minus 1 upon 3. So equation of normal y minus of 2 is equal to minus 1 upon 3 into x minus 2, which is x plus 3y. Here it will be x plus 3y minus 6, and this is what 2 here. This is minus 6 and minus 2, it is minus 8 is equal to 0 is the equation of normal. One more equation is what? By taking point minus 2 comma minus 2, ये point लिया तो you will get different equation. Y minus of minus 2, that is plus 2, x1 y1 ये है, it is equal to minus 1 upon 3 into x plus 2. So x plus 3y, here it is 6 and this 2, 8 plus 8 is equal to 0. Question number 6. If the line y equals to 4x minus 5 touches the curve y square equals to ax cube plus b at this point 2 comma 3, and we find what? A and b. See the given line. Here is the given line. Slope of the given line will be, see the line is in the form y is equal to mx plus c. So what will be the slope of given line? Slope of given line y is equal to 4x minus 5. It is of the form mx plus c. So m is equal to 4. This is the slope of given line. Now this line touches the curve. ये line tangent है इस curve को at this point 2, 3. That means this slope of the tangent and slope of the line is same. The slope tangent to this curve is nothing but this given line. So y square is equal to ax cube plus b, differentiating it, 2y dy by dx is equal to 3a x square, and this b is a constant, so its derivative will be 0. Therefore dy by dx at this point px1 y1. So px1 y1 is this 2, 3, that is dy by dx at 2, 3 is equal to 3a into x square. X square means what? 2 square upon 2y upon 2 into y. Y is equal to 3. Y is equal to 3. So this 3 is getting cancelled and 1, 2 is getting cancelled. So slope is equal to, slope of the tangent is equal to what? 2a. But slope of the tangent is what? 4. Therefore slope of the tangent, that is 2a is equal to 4 and a is equal to 2 and a is equal to 2. a is equal to 2 मिल रहा है आपको. Now you will find what? b. अभी ये point जो है, point lies on this curve, so therefore coordinates of the point will satisfy equation of curve y square ax cube plus b. इसमें a पता है आपको, a is what? 2 and x and y are 2 comma 3. Therefore 3 square a is equal to 2 times x cube. X cube is what? 2 cube plus b. Therefore 9 is equal to, this is 16 plus b and b is equal to minus 7. So a and b, we are interested to find a and b. A is equal to 2 and b is equal to minus 7. Let's see question number 7. ये question number 7, it is not depending on, it is not the question on tangent and normal. ये related rates का है problem, that is one quantity changing what is the change in the another quantity. A particle moves along the curve, ये curve पे particle moves and find the point on the curve at which y coordinate is changing, मतलब rate of change of y coordinate is what 8 times the rate of change of x coordinate. So ऐसे condition में आपको point you have to find. So we take that point as x1 y1 and what is given here dx is y coordinate is changing, that means rate of change of y coordinate dy by dt, that is 8 times dx by dt. This is given. Here we differentiate this equation of curve with respect to t. 6 into dy by dt, we differentiate it with respect to t. Right hand side will be 3x square into dx by dt, and the constant term, it is derivative will be 0. Here this 3 is getting cancelled, it is 2. What is given here? Dy by dt is 8 times dx by dt. So it is 2 times dy by dt. So dy by dt is 8 dx by dt. Right hand side is x square into dx by dt. Now this dx by dt is getting cancelled and x square is equal to 16. So x is equal to plus minus 4. Now as we want to get the points, coordinates of the point, so particle is moving along this curve and find the point on the curve. Find the point on the curve. So therefore if x is equal to plus 4, then 6y plus 4, that is 64 plus 2, and it is 66, that is y is equal to 11. 6 is getting cancelled, it is 11. Therefore the point is what? एक point है 4, 10, 4, 11. We satisfy the given condition. दूसरा, if x is equal to minus 4, यहाँ पे minus 4 रखेंगे, तो 6y, here minus 4 cube, minus 64 plus 2, which is minus 62. So y is equal to minus 62 divided by 6, which is minus 31 upon 3. So another point is what? What is that point? Minus 4 comma minus 31 upon 3. So these are the possible points. One is 4, 11 and another is 4 minus 31 upon 3. Question number 8 is again on related rates or rate measures, that is, which is on physics, that a spherical soap bubble is expanding. It is application to physics. Spherical soap bubble is expanding so that its radius is increasing at the rate of 0.02 centimeter per second. At what rate? Surface area is increasing when its radius is 5 centimeter. So very simple question. Let's suppose in time t, see here r be the radius of soap bubble. We will take r be the radius of soap bubble and it is changing. It is increasing at the rate of 0.02 centimeter per second. So what is given over here? Here it is given rate of change of radius, that is rate of change means what? With respect to t, derivative. So dr by dt is equal to 0.02 centimeter per second. This is given. Next, here we want to find the rate at which surface area is increasing. So what will be the surface area? Surface area we denote by capital A, and surface area of the sphere or spherical soap bubble. So it is, we consider as sphere. It is 4 pi r square surface area. 4 pi r square, that is the surface area of sphere, and we differentiate it with respect to t. dA by dt is equal to 4 pi. First we differentiate it with chain rule of derivative we apply, that is 2r into dr by dt, which is 8 pi r into dr by dt. Now at r is equal to 5 we want to find, at r is equal to 5. So dA by dt is equal to 8 pi r, and dr by dt is known to us, which is 0.02 centimeter per second. Now it will be, substitute r is equal to 5, what is given here, at r is equal to 5. So therefore rate of change of surface area when r radius is equal to 5, it will be 8 pi into 5, this is 0.02. Now multiplication will give us, it is 0.1, and this will be 0.8 pi square centimeter per second. This will be the rate at which the surface area of spherical soap bubble is increasing. हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, इस वीडियो में हमने क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 से 8 ऑफ द एक्सरसाइज 2.1 वी डिड. बाकी के क्वेश्चंस हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में वी विल डू. सो थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो.